Selamünaleyküm ve rahmetullahi ve berekatuhu. Welcome to OZER Projects YouTube Real Estate Channel. I am Hakan OZER and
myself Yasir Shafiq.
brother Yasir.
Yes, Hakan abi.
Where are we? Let us show our subscribers.
We are on an amazing place.
There is clear panoramic Marmara Sea view is directly in front of us, and I'm feeling myself like I'm an eagle. It's amazing and lovely. Yes, we are in one of the most luxury apartment project of KOCAELI. The size of the properties starting from the 72 square meters 1+1 up to 242 square meters, which is our 5 rooms plus 1 living rooms. Today we are gonna show you in a few minutes later the sample property 3 rooms plus 1 living room, which is containing 2 bathrooms and 3 WCs.
So let's start the house tour now.
Hadi bismillah.
Bismillah.
Bismillah tevekkeltu Allah. For starting tour of the property, I want to see the elevator inside the blocks. Each elevator can host 13 people inside it. Each block contains 2 lifts, 2 elevators inside it. So let's discover that sample property together. What we have as a specification, as I mentioned before, we have 3 rooms plus 1 living room, 2 bathrooms and 3 WCs, which is containing 160 square meters gross area inside the property. Bismillah, let's discover together. This is number 28. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is such a semi-smart house system is available. You can consider this project, and as a sample property it was furnished, but the concept of the project is like semi-furnished, because when you buy the property you can see you will get that kind of cabinet section inside the property, and right over here there is a directly WC section is welcoming us, and on the wall there are first quality wallpapers were used. I can say that easily. Each material are not first quality, beyond the first quality, like a ultra quality. And I want to show the kitchen section of the property. When I reach the kitchen section, Chimstone style countertop is welcoming us right over here. Nice and cool modern design kitchen cabinets were used inside the kitchen, and stove top, electric stove top, and right over here hidden exhaust is available over here. And also the construction company is providing oven too. You can see the sections for microwave, refrigerator and dishwasher places over here, and there is balconies available from the kitchen, and look at that beautiful view. Feeling myself like I am an eagle. I have to say that it's very important information. You can use the loan of credit for this property as a foreigner. How is that? 50% is down payment, then rest of them can divide for 60 months installment payment without benefit, so that if you're interested to buy with installment payment method, and also if you are looking for a loan of credit, this project is supporting by Al Baraka Turk Bank. As a foreigner, you can get your mortgage credit for this project. I can say that easily this project is under the warranty of one of the biggest bank in Turkey. When I keep continuing my tour, doors are mashallah heavy. I'm shaking. It is heavy. It means it is thick material inside it, not like a foam. so that I can say that easily these doors are such a good quality. And when I reach this section, very elegant living room section is welcoming us. And with the furniture, mashallah, tabarakallah, the property show itself much more better, mashallah. And also, the company gives support about the furnishing your house. They have the companies, collaborating companies. You can get these services from them too.
This is really amazing place, especially the furniture and everything. All the details, they look amazing with an amazing view. Yeah, I'm just loving it.
If you want to be part of this beauty, please directly contact with us.
Yeah. See for yourself.
Yeah, definitely. Reality is better than the video. I always advise my clients, if you are available to come over here, please check. Come by yourself, contact with me, let me show you, and be sure 100%, then make your decision.
Exactly.
This is my duty as a real estate agent in Turkey. So let's keep continuing our tour. Brother, mashallah, yani this project has front side is looking for the blue marmarisi, back side is looking for the light green forest. And when I reach this section, there is common bathroom section of the property is welcoming us, and I can say that easily all the materials again and again, first quality. And look to the practicing of the cabinet inside the bathroom. Mashallah, yani each material, I can say that easily, first quality. Also, yani beyond the first quality. Okay. When I keep continuing my tour, I want to start from the right side. There is a room for kids section is available over here. Inside this room there is no balcony, but the back side, I want to show the scenery of the back side. You can show, brother Yasir, the scenery. On the left side, you can see the green valley from the project too. And very important detail, you can check the price lists as a link, Google Drive link on the description section. Please check it out, it's very important. And when I keep continuing our tour, there is another room for kids section is welcoming us. I think this is the smallest room. Yes, this is the smallest room of the property. Again, this room is looking for the green valley too. Let's check it out, the master room section. Yes, this is the master room section, and we have bathroom inside the master room. And also master room is looking for the green mountains too. And also there is a sea views available from here too. Such a huge project. For instance, we have 23,000 square meters project area. On this 23,000 square meters project area, there are 8 luxury blocks and 362 luxury apartments, and as additional, also we have 11 detached style luxury villas.
And we are just 10 minutes away from the city center, and in this compound you will find all grocery things, right?
Definitely, because it feels like a life center, brother.
Yeah.
5-star hotel concept, life center. Why it's like that? Because social facility sections are so rich. Indoor and outdoor swimming pools, kindergarten, bakery, grocery, market, coffee shops, coffee. You don't need to go to the outside.
Don't have to go outside from this compound. You will find everything in this area, near to your house.
Definitely. I forgot to tell you, indoor parking lots are available too. I hope that you enjoy what you saw in the video. You can find the price list as a link, as a Google Drive link on the description section. Please check that link and you can download the price, up-to-date price list of the project. To be honest, these are not cheap properties. These are luxury properties, so that these are on the market, not affordable price, to be honest. Advantage of this project, first of all, view. To find that kind of view nowadays in KOCAELI between the construction projects, it's really hard. The other item is quality of the materials. And third topic is concept. Here is like 5-star hotel concept, like life center. You can get your all the requirements easily inside the compound. That. And would you want to add something, brother Yasir?
It doesn't matter if you buy or don't buy, but please don't forget to like our video because I'm sure you love this house tour. Personally, I loved it. It's amazing, especially with the furniture and all the touches. It looks amazing, incredible. So don't forget to like and also share with your family and friends, guys. Help us to grow. Help us to make more videos for you.
For more information, please directly contact with me. My name is Hakan OZER. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 0090-532-207-8634. I'm reading my number again, 0090-532-207-8634. Please not forget to like our videos. If you didn't subscribe our YouTube channel yet, please smash that subscribe button.
Yeah, do it. Yeah, we want to be big and you guys are the only one who can help us. So subscribe it.
Yeah. Thanks for watching and fi aman Allah.